And then we can move to the Epistle to the Hebrews. We don't know who wrote Hebrews. It almost certainly was not Paul, but the author tells his community in Hebrews chapter 5, verse 8, that although he was a son, he learned obedience from the things which he suffered. And having been made perfect, he became to all those who obey him the source of eternal salvation. Hebrews chapter 5, verses 9 through 10. So Jesus here is described as a son. He's the Son of God. And then we see that he learned obedience. If he learned something, that means that he didn't possess that knowledge before that time. He learned things, which means that Jesus changed. He grew in knowledge. Clearly, the Son is not omniscient. He's learning things. He's learning how to be obedient. His relationship with God, naturally the Father, is an obedient posture. And Jesus is learning this obedience as he is actually suffering. Okay? He's not a perfect God who is incapable of suffering. He actually did suffer. And then, by becoming perfect, naturally, the perfection of learning the obedience and, of course, being raised from the dead to immortality, Jesus now is able to offer salvation to those who obey him. But Jesus had to demonstrate it first. He had to be the author and the pioneer of faithfulness, as Hebrews chapter 12, verse 2 tells us. Jesus had to show everybody what it means to be faithful to God. He had to obey God. He had to learn to be obedient to the Father. And now that he's done that, we can all obey Jesus. We can now look to Jesus as an example of what it means to be obedient, and now we can be obedient to him, and we can receive salvation because of that. But quite clearly, Jesus learned obedience. He learned how to obey and to submit to the Father, and he did this as a son, as the Son of God.